Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of copy paste is not working in your Windows 10 PC. So you just need to follow this step here to fix the copy paste problem. So first of all you need to go to this PC option here, go to File Explorer, then choose this PC option here. Then you have to go to the C folder here where is your program and Windows operating system is installed. So just double click on it. Then you have to choose the Windows folder here, so just open the Windows folder. Then you have to find the system32 folder here you can see the system32 folder is here. Now you just have to scroll down and find rdpclip.exe file here, rdpclip. Now here we can see the rdpclip.exe file is here, so you just have to right click on it and run as administrator here. And after that you have to find the dwm exe file here, so just scroll up here and find dwm exe. As you can see, here's the dwm exe folder here, so you just have to again right click on it and run as administrator here. So if you having problem to find that folder, you can just search for dwm here, press enter, and it will show you the dwm.exe. Also you can find the rdpclip.exe from search bar here. So after that you just have to go to the search bar here, then search for cmd and open the command prompt app here. So just right click on it and click on run as administrator here. After opening the command prompt, you just have to write a command here. So you have to write this command here, cmd space slash c double quotation echo space off line dot clip double quotation. After that you just need to press enter, and then after that you just have to close out of here, and then you just need to restart your PC again and hope that fix your copy paste not working in your Windows 10 PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.